गणेश।
जय श्री गणेश।
गुड मॉर्निंग। जय श्री गणेश। कैसे हैं आप लोग? जय श्री गणेश। एक्चुअली जब बच्चे सुबह सो के उठते हैं ना तो मैं उन्हें बोलती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सुबह पहला शब्द अच्छा बोलो। बहुत लोग जय श्री कृष्ण बोलते हैं, बहुत लोग अल्लाह बोलते हैं, जो उनका मन करे। मुझे गणेश का नाम अच्छा लगता है तो बच्चे यही बोलते हैं। एंड today's vlog will be a mixed version of Hindi and English. As I told you earlier also that I was not comfortable completely making English because I was not getting my real emotions. But still I will try, and I'm still searching for the subtitles. So let's see how's today's vlog going. So first quickly let me show you the weather outside. So this is Lagos weather. Thankfully there is no rain today. I hope today will be sunlight and मेरे plants सही हो जाएंगे. No, I'm just hoping for the best. This is the backyard which was full of water yesterday. बहुत सारा पानी हो गया था कल. I wish अब आज ये plants सही हो जाएं, कोई उन्हें दिक्कत ना हो. लेट्यूस का तो मुझे पता ही नहीं कि अब क्या होगा. Hoping for the best. So one step of breakfast is complete. अभी kids जो हैं they are drinking milk. Let me show you. Drink it fast, okay? And I'm going to make breakfast for me and hubby. Today we are making I am making bulgur wheat. We say it bulgur wheat dalia. This one is like kind of very salty savory taste. और ये सेम होता है, इसमें वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह डाल के आप बना लो. इट्स गुड फॉर हेल्थ. और जो इसका टेक्सचर है, द टेक्सचर ऑफ द बल्गर व्हीट, वो एक्चुअली राइस जैसा लगता है. आप लगता है जैसे कि आप राइस खा रहे हो. इट्स वेरी फाइन. मैं बनाती हूँ फिर मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ. सो आई तो थी मैं बल्गर व्हीट बनाने के लिए, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द बल्गर व्हीट वॉज वेरी लेस. सो व्हाट आई डिड, I added, when you are in Nigeria, try this. This is kind of local food and people love it. And yes, so what I mixed that bulgur wheat and this maize in this vegetable bulgur wheat porridge. So now you cannot see any bulgur wheat in it because it's all maize, but the taste will be of bulgur wheat.
Started with your favorite song.
Okay, teacher, now you teach me. So here I have just taken one chart paper and put O.
Yeah, this is Q.
Q.
And this
R.
Yeah.
R for teacher.
I don't know.
R for Rudra. R for Rajas.
Yeah.
Teacher, tell me more. This way Rudra is enjoying the alphabets. Teacher, can you tell me more? And what is Mother Earth?
It is our solar systems.
Really?
Yeah.
Teacher, you know solar system?
Yeah, it is to galaxy to move the solar system.
Galaxy to move the solar system?
Yeah.
My God, teacher, that is something very interesting.
Yeah.
Teacher, tell me more.
Sit in your chair. Okay.
Okay. I'm coming, teacher.
Okay.
So now it's going to be 11:30. Now kids want this, what do you say, pancake. So I'm going to make pancake and some lassi for me and hubby because I'm also feeling a bit hungry and I guess hubby also. And today the weather, I must say, it's very lazy, or might be I'm only feeling that laziness, but trust me, I am feeling like although I didn't slept yesterday night because I was searching for the subtitles, but I don't know what is happening. I feel so tired, so lazy that even I don't want to do anything. I don't even want to pick up a glass of water also, but I have to get up and cook because I have kids, family, husband, so I need to cook. So now here the time is around 8:30 and what I'm doing, chai. Actually, I forgot to put the tea leaves. I'm waiting the water to get boiled. So I'm making here chai. And the reason being making chai so late is that I was editing, and what I saw in my whole today's vlog, that I personally didn't felt anything excited what I did. The only clip I liked, that was Rudra teaching me. That was something like I liked, interesting for me. I thought better to share some of my Saudi memories to you, so that you can also know the Saudi version of us, that how we lived in Saudi. I just sorted out some clips of a specific park, because also see, there are some myths about Saudi Arabia, that you cannot go out, you cannot go in the park, this and that. So I have sorted out some photographs of a particular park from like, I guess that park we used to go most of the time. And that park is actually, it was a picnic spot for us. And when it was summer, because everyone knows that Saudi summer is very harsh, and it's true, so we used to go early in the morning, like around 6 o'clock we used to reach the park. And then we used to have picnic. I used to make snacks and everything. And we used to go and have there even a cup of tea also. So I just collected some of the pics. You can see, I hope that you will like it, and you will also get an idea about my Saudi life. So watch the video till end, and do let me know that how you liked the Saudi version when I was in Saudi Arabia. And don't forget to subscribe. But very important, you all stay happy, healthy and safe. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.